Hello friends, welcome to the channel and the first session of a control system. In our daily life, we are dealing with the control system in a many way. Just like from a bread toaster to remote control and the room AC to the car ADAS system. Even our body reflexes also can be a better example of a control system. With specific input and a control action, we can get appropriate output action. That is all about the control system. Going deeper in a specification, there are two types of a control system, open loop control system and a closed loop system. So in this both the system, there is a basic difference is that in a closed loop system, we work on the feedback, whatever we are doing, means any control action. So by diving in an open loop system, we can see the definition is like an open loop system is a non-feedback system. The control action depends strictly on the input. The system does not check if the output is correct or not. Means whatever action we are taking, we are not checking whether it is correct or not. There is no any feedback. In a real world example, we can see as a basic toaster, which you are doing means it is time-based toaster. We are putting our bread, we are starting our toaster, and we're checking with the particular time we are getting the toasted bread. We are not checking, that machine is even not checking whether that color is perfect or not, or what kind of a temperature it is. It is totally a timer base. Just like our washing machine, we are putting some timer for the washing machine and we are getting our clothes washed. So that is, we are not checking any feedback regarding the whatever output you are getting. So basically, considering the pros and cons, we can see that it is simple construction, easy to maintain. There is no any feedback. There is a simple, you can say the infrastructure inexpensive. Cons is that there is no any measurement. We are not getting any accurate data, inaccurate and highly sensitive to external disturbance. Means there is no any response. Means we don't know whether that whatever the clothes we have washed, the stains are already gone or not. Means we have to verify after the process. So that is the thing. There is no any feedback, as we said. Whereas considering the closed loop system, we can see that by definition, a closed loop system uses a feedback mechanism. It continuously measures the output and compares it against the desired input to make automatic real-time correction. Means whatever the inputs we are getting, we are measuring and we are getting input. There is a control mechanism. We are getting output and parallelly we are checking the feedback of that whatever output generated with respect to the input and the set point and whatever the output we are desired. In a real world example, you can see that there are smart AC conditioner. Means we are setting some temperature like a 24 degrees Celsius or a 17 degrees Celsius. And our motor, whichever it is there, compressor is there. So it is working to achieve that particular set point. And it is always measuring whether that particular set point, the process value is reached to the set point or not. And accordingly it acts. Likewise, cruise control in a car. It actually monitors actual speed and adjusts the throttle automatically when going uphill. So to maintain the particular speed, whatever we have set. So there are cons also along with this. So pros are like a highly accurate, self-correcting and the less sensitive to the external noise. But it is complex system, so it is harder to maintain as it requires high definition sensors to get a feedback which cost and it is more expensive than the open loop control system. So considering head-to-head comparison, we can see that considering the feedback, open loop, there is no any feedback. In a closed loop, yes, there is a feedback. Accuracy, in open loop, we get much lower accuracy. In a closed loop, we get higher accuracy due to feedback. Cost and complexity. Open loop is a lower in the cost and the overall operation. It is very easy. Whereas the closed loop systems are highly expensive due to the sensors and all the feedback system. Summarizing the overall session, we can say that the open loops systems is a very easy to maintain, easy to operate, inexpensive, but it lacks the higher accuracy and that kind of a better control. So by the closed loop, we can get that, and it is highly used in an application where accuracy is a major concern and a major part to be considered. Thanks for watching video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.